friends, welcome back to our channel Learning Bees. After a long period of time, we are again back with a new series, Middle School Grammar. In this, today we are going to learn interrogatives, and we will start with first interrogative pronouns and then proceed further. Let's learn how to identify interrogative pronouns correctly in the sentence and appropriately use them. What are interrogative pronouns? As we all know that basically pronouns are the words that replace nouns in the sentence. So these interrogative pronouns are also the words which replace nouns in the sentence, but only the difference is that they are used to ask questions. The basic interrogative pronouns which are used frequently are who, whom, whose, what, and which. For example, what is your name? Which is your book? Whose is this? And one important thing that the answer to these questions is always a noun. Let's see some more examples. Which book is yours? Whose book is this? Which answer is correct? What food are they buying? Are these interrogative pronouns? The same words are repeated here also, and these are all questions. Which, whose, what? Are these interrogative pronouns? No, these are not interrogative pronouns, because if you notice, every interrogative word is having a noun in front of it. For example, which book? Book is a noun. Which answer? Answer is a noun. What food? Food is a noun. So, a word that comes along with noun, is it an adjective? Is it an interrogative adjective? Yes, it is an interrogative adjective or determiner. So, interrogative adjectives are always placed with nouns in the sentence. So, that is the basic difference between interrogative pronouns and interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are the words that always come along with nouns whom they qualify. For example, which book, whose pen, etc. Now let us see some more examples. Are these interrogative pronouns in the sentences? These are also questions. There are also question words like why, where, when, and how. For example, why is the garden in such a mess? Where is your sister? When are you going to grow up? How can you eat a freezer full of pizzas in one evening? These are all questions. Are these interrogative pronouns? Why, where, when, how? Let's find out. As I told you, interrogative pronouns are the words they are used in the place of nouns. Okay? And the answer to the question is also a noun. Answer to the question posed by interrogative determiner or interrogative pronoun is something functioning as a noun. But just now the questions that we saw here, the answer that we are getting, it's not a noun. For example, why is the garden in such a mess? The answer will be something like a reason, isn't it? Where is your sister? The answer will be something about a place. When are you going to grow up? Here also the answer will be about something about time. And how can you eat a freezer full of pizzas in one evening? The answer will be something, not a noun, isn't it? So, these all words are interrogative adverbs. Why, where, when, and how are not interrogative determiners or interrogative pronouns. They are interrogative adverbs. The interrogative adverbs are used to ask questions, just like interrogative pronouns and interrogative adjectives. But the difference is that the answer to these questions is not a noun. When is used to ask about time related matters. Where is used to ask about place related matters. And why is used to ask about reasons. And the next one, how, is a very quirky one, and it is used to ask about matters related to manner. So, up till now, we learned three types of interrogatives: interrogative pronouns, interrogative adjectives, and interrogative adverbs. So, let's have a quick revision about these interrogatives. We have to remember some points. The first one is that interrogative pronouns always stand alone. They are never with nouns. Interrogative determiners always have noun beside them. The answer given by interrogative pronouns and determiners is always a noun. And the answer given by interrogative adverbs is never a noun. It's a phrase telling about reason, time, place, or manner. Now, let us also learn about relative pronouns. What are these relative pronouns? These pronouns are these words that you can see now, like who, whom, whose, where, how, when, which, and why. But the difference is that they are not used to ask questions. They are used in the sentence, in the middle of the sentence somewhere. The sentence is generally a complex sentence. In complex sentences, we find these words who, whom, whose, where, and how, etc., but not to form questions. It is a complex sentence, normal complex sentence, and these words in these sentences are called relative pronouns. And now we have come to the end of the video. A small quiz we are going to have, in which we are going to identify the interrogatives correctly. So just let's start. First one, which is the best action movie? Here, which is alone, not with a noun. So it is interrogative pronoun. Whose novel is better? Whose is along with a noun, novel. So whose is an interrogative determiner. What is in name? Here also, what is interrogative pronoun. Where are the students? Now the question is used to ask about the place. So it is interrogative adverb. Why are you crying? Why? It is interrogative adverb, because the answer that will be there to this question, it will be something about some reason. When will you go? When? It is interrogative adverb, because when is a question asked and the answer will be about some time. So it's a time related question. So it is interrogative adverb. What food should we order? What food? Food is noun, and what is along with noun, placed next to the noun. So it is interrogative adjective or interrogative determiner. So now we have done with the quiz. I hope we all now are able to identify interrogatives correctly in the sentence, whether it is interrogative adverb or interrogative pronoun or interrogative determiner. Okay guys, do like our videos, share them with your friends if you find them helpful, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and press the bell icon so that you get the notification of the videos as soon as we post a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye.